Welcome to Vipas.AI, where we prioritize your experience with cutting-edge AI applications, where you can explore and utilize a variety of apps and models. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to navigate through the apps and models of our platform. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Vipas.AI. Click on the Login button, located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials and log in to access your account. Note that without logging in, you can only view the apps and models, but will not be able to use them. After logging in, click on the Apps or Models tab at the top of the website. This navigation is the same for both the things, as our platforms offers easy accessibility to avoid any bad user experience, making it very easy for anyone to use. We will go ahead with the Apps page. This will open the respective page, displaying all available apps. Apps page layout includes the following sections. Filters are located on the left side of the page and help you narrow down your search based on specific criteria. Displayed in the center of the page, you can see all the apps or models that are available to be used on the platform. Located at the top right corner of the Apps or Models page, you can sort the apps models according to your requirements. Let's go through the sorting and filtering options in detail. Click on the Sort By drop-down to reveal 3 sorting options. Most Runs displays the apps that have been run the most by users, helping you identify popular and frequently used apps. Recently Created shows the most recently created apps by data scientists and developers, useful for discovering new additions to the platform. Recently Updated lists the most recently updated apps, helping you find apps that have received recent improvements or changes. The filters available on the Apps page allow for a more refined search, making it easier to find specific apps. The page will display matching results as you type. Enter the name of the app you are looking for in the search field. It will appear on the page as you add the name. The Type feature. This filter is static and will show either apps, depending on the page you are on. Cannot be changed. Select the category of the app you are interested in from the drop-down menu. Categories help in organizing and finding apps models relevant to specific fields or use cases. Click on this field to open a calendar and select a date range, start date to end date, to view apps created within that period. A refresh icon beside this filter allows you to reset the filter and return to the default view. Similar to the created date filter, this allows you to select a date range to view apps that were updated within that period. The refresh icon can be used to undo this filter and return to the default view. Input a starting and ending price range in the provided fields. You can also adjust the price range from a minimum of 0 to the maximum amount you desire. This filter helps you find apps that fit within your budget. As you apply each filter, the page will automatically update to show apps that match your criteria, filtering from the current page only. Without clicking Go, the filters will only apply to the projects visible on the current page. To see all available apps across the platform that match your filters, click the Go button below the filters. Each app card provides key information to help you understand its features. Located at the top left corner of the card, this tag indicates whether the item is an app or a model. This helps users quickly identify the type of project. Positioned at the top middle of the card, this tag shows the category into which the app is classified, such as agriculture or medicine. This categorization helps in organizing and finding apps relevant to specific fields or use cases. Found at the top right corner of the card, this heart icon allows you to add the app to your favorites. A red heart means it's added to favorites, while a white heart means it is not marked as a favorite. Tapping the heart icon toggles between adding and removing the item from your favorites list. Displayed in the middle of the card, this image is provided by the developer or data scientist who created the app model. It offers a visual representation of the app. Below the image, you'll find the name and a brief description of the app. This provides users with an overview of what the app does and its key features. Located below the description on the left side, 5 stars indicate the average user rating. The number of blue stars reflects the rating, and the number beside the stars indicates the number of ratings it received. If the stars are colorless, it means the app has not yet been rated. An icon showing how many times the app model has been run by users with a number specifying the count. This indicates the popularity and usage frequency of the app model. Coin icon with a currency symbol beside a number indicates the cost of the AI app model. This helps users quickly see the price associated with the AI app model. A line at the footer of the card shows when the app/model was last updated. This information is useful for users to know how current the app model is. Open button is located at the bottom right corner of the card. When you click Open on an app/model card, a detailed page will appear with comprehensive information. At the top, these tags indicate whether it's an app or model and its category. Below the tags, the app name is displayed with a heart icon to remove it from favorite. An ID assigned by the system is shown, with icons to copy the ID and the app page link for sharing. These features make it easy to reference and share the app. A detailed description and an image of the app are displayed on the left side, providing comprehensive information about the app. On the right side, the rating is shown with stars. A Rate It button allows users to rate the app. Click the Rate It button to open a dialog box with stars. Select the rating 1 to 5 stars, and the icon will smile or frown based on your selection. Click Submit to finalize your rating. Run icon. An icon indicating the number of times the app has been run by users. This number helps gauge the app's usage and popularity. An icon indicating the price of the app in corresponding currency. This helps users understand the cost per successful prediction associated with using the app. Details section. This section provides step-by-step instructions on how to use the app, lists technical details including the name of the developer or scientist who created the app, the system-assigned ID for the app/model, the date and time of creation, the date and time of the last update. Technical details, such as file names and file sizes, will only be accessible if the creator has made them publicly available. If this information is private, it will not be visible to users. These details will only be visible to the user who is logged into the platform. You can explore and utilize the diverse range of apps and models on Vipas.AI. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your journey with Vipas.AI.